Welcome to Atosis Technologies. Here we are discussing about how to create a company in Tally ERP9. Firstly, open Tally ERP9 software. This software is not activated, so that this showing like that. Just go to work in education mode. Select silver edition mode. Right now we can see the company info. Firstly, select company, login as a remote user, create company. Select create company, press enter. Here firstly mention which name use it for the company. Here I'm just mention example XYZ Limited. This is the name of the company. Next one, address. I mean which area the company located. Mention that address. Just one. Good. After that, you can see the statutory complaints. The company is situated in India, so all statutory complaints coming in India. So select India, okay. After that, state. Which state your business located? After that, your PIN number. I mean PIN code. Your business telephone number 04 and 24 like that. If you have any mobile number, just enter here. And here email ID, your business email ID. Here I'm just using example gmail.com. What anything, I mean info like that. After that, you can see here currency symbol. Mainly India using rupees, so mention here rupees. Here you can see two option. One, accounts only. Second, accounts with inventory. The accounts only mean you can only enter accounting information, accounting entries. You cannot enter any stock regarding information. If you want to enter together accounts with inventory, so select this. Accounts mostly all companies select like this. Okay, you can see both accounting and inventory informations. After that, the financial year, I mean you started year of the business, so here mention thing like that. After that, security control. If you want any password for your system, I mean somebody using your laptop anything, so if you put any password, just press here any password. Just 1 2. If you want, then enter. Okay, otherwise not enter. After that, base currency information. Here base currency symbol already above we mentioned rupees. And formal name, secondly formal name, the Indian rupees formal name rupees. Here mention rupees. After that, decimal places. After amount we need two decimal places, so mention 2. Then our symbol for decimal portion is paise. I mean 50 paise like that. Okay. After that, show amounts in millions. If you want show the more amounts, I mean in million like that, press yes if you want. If not required, not enter. Okay, leave it. After that, put a space between amount and symbol. I mean rupees this amount. If you want the gap between rupees and symbol, if you want gap, then put yes. No gap, no, you should leave it. After that, decimal places for printing amount in words, it's automatically 2. Okay, then press enter. Just wait moment. Yeah, right now our company is created. You can see here name of the company XYZ Limited. Okay,